Hello everyone, my name is Miss Ozoda. Today we are going to talk about writing module of our marathon. So first of all, I should mention that we have two types of IELTS. We have general training and also academic. So general training is mostly for people who want to work abroad, but academic section is for people who want to study at university, at like bachelor's degree, master's degree, or different kinds of courses abroad actually. We have 4 writing lessons in our marathon. So this is actually the first lesson, introduction lesson. Today I will explain you in general like what is IELTS writing, what is task 1, what is task 2. So let's start. As I said earlier, we have two types of IELTS. They are academic and also general. When it comes to the difference between them, in task 1, we are given a report. For example, you are given different kinds of charts, graphs, processes, and also maps. When it comes to the general module, you are given a letter. Like you should describe some kind of situation. You should write down like complaint or suggestion letter for someone or some kind of organization. So when it comes to task 2, they are similar in academic module and also in general module. Next, the most interesting topic is that what kind of topics you are given. Usually in task 2, you are given about crime, technology, education, medicine, history, or different kinds of topics you never discuss in your mother tongue. When it comes to task 1, you are given different kinds of reports that are related to salary, expenditure, different kinds of countries. So actually, it's not very difficult to write task 1 or task 2, but you need a lot of practice. Maybe some of you don't know about IELTS writing at all, so that's why we will send to our group some pictures related to task 1, task 2, and you will practice, you will see them, and you will practice your maybe most of you don't know about IELTS writing at all, so that's why we will send some pictures like related to task 1, task 2, different kinds of maps. So you should wait for that. Okay, let's talk about timing. Usually you are given like in total 60 minutes, so that means 1 hour. So you should use this time effectively. For example, for task 1, you should spend 20 minutes, approximately 20 minutes. When it comes to task 2, you should spend 40 minutes. But sometimes people do it differently. For example, some people spend 15 minutes for task 1. When it comes to task 2, they spend like 45 minutes. So you should divide your time very wisely because it's very important. Time management is very important. So when you are practicing, you should always control your time. So that's why please be careful, be attentive, and be responsible when it comes to time management. The next topic that I want to discuss with you is that common topics that you are usually given. So for task 1, you are usually given different kinds of statistics, tables, expenditures, spending, salaries, different years. So you should pay attention to the cost, to the money. So in task 2, you are usually given different topics, common topics related to crime, technology, education, medicine, and also art, history maybe. So first of all, you should practice every topic that probably you will given in order to be very confident in your exam. As you know, it was an introduction lesson and I have tried to explain you everything in general. In our next lessons, I'm going to explain you task 1, task 2 in detail. So I hope you will look forward to that. And also in our last lesson, I will give you some vocabulary tips, different kinds of life hacks for you that probably can be useful in your real exam. So that's why thank you for the lesson, thank you for attention. But I forgot to give you a homework. So your homework is going to be very easy. You are going to to do some research on the internet. So you should find different kinds of task 1, charts, graphs, processes and maps. But please remember, you don't need general section, I mean general module, you need academic module. Please pay attention, be attentive. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. We will see you in our next lesson. Goodbye.